Hello and good afternoon. Today we're in Malacca and it's day 2 since I am looking for a Roti John to try out here, because I had one in Johor Bahru. Well, at least I had a piece of it in Johor Bahru because my friend Arif ate the rest of it. So he gave me, just try this, and if you like it then we buy another one. So I tried it, it was amazing. And then when we wanted to buy another one, the place was closed, obviously. So fast forward to yesterday evening, I was looking around like a dumb person the whole night for a Roti John. And now today I'm still looking around here, and supposedly we're in Plaza Mahakta or something like that, and somewhere around here Makota. Plaza Makota. Makota, Gigi, Makota. Plaza Mankota, Marmota. Yes. So we're here and we're looking for one. And all the people suggested me to try here. If I don't find here one, then either I'm super unlucky or I will have to continue my search tomorrow. So hopefully, random traffic cone appears out of nowhere.
Do you have Roti John?
No.
Can we find this way, Roti John? Where can we find Roti John?
Roti John.
Yeah. Some people told us to come here and go straight, and by the end of the road reach Narnia, and maybe they will have
Roti John famous Ramadan.
Okay. I'm trying here. Apparently this is the quest for the lost unicorn. So I don't know if we will find today some Roti John or not. If we find one, you will see this video. If we don't find one, I don't know, maybe it's funny for you to see me trying to find the Roti John. So yeah, you will never know.
Did you tell the nice people what happened yesterday?
I told the nice people what happened yesterday. We went 3 kilometers in a search for Roti John for nothing.
And I was followed by an otter.
Yes, by an otter and a water monitor. Arif, if you're watching this, screw you, because of you, you made me addicted to this kind of thing, and now I have to find myself a new one. And obviously when there was one available, I could not get it because the place was closed, and now I'm not in Johor anymore. So the search in Malacca for Roti John continues, and so far all the places doesn't seem to be having anything food related. So I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we find something. There were some guys there, they were mocking me or imitating me. I don't know exactly why, but well.
Oh.
Okay. Random chicken. I don't think it's here. But there's a corner shop here, so maybe at this cafe they will have maybe.
Hello. Do you know where I can find some Roti John?
Huh?
Roti John.
Roti John.
Yes.
Roti John.
He works for Grab. I mean, he should know where.
Roti John. I think hotel.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just came from there.
Yeah, we came from there.
The people from there.
We
told
came
us-
from there here.
Yeah.
Roti John hotel.
Okay, let me try inside here. Okay, let's see. Looks like a building. Hello. Do you know where I can find Roti John?
Yes, sir.
You know where I can find Roti John?
In front, sir.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Let's see. This guy looks like he knows what he's saying. So around here we have laundromats and cafes and Dutch looking buildings, and those on the other side are more Dutch looking. I mean, I wonder if we're in Amsterdam or we're still in Malacca, but considering the fact that Malacca used to be a Dutch colony, it kind of makes sense for the buildings to be like this. But let's see. Still looking, still looking, still looking. Oh, there's a food place here. Okay. Let's ask these nice people and see if they have something. Let's see. Hello. Do you have Roti John?
Oh, we're close already.
You're close, but is there here Roti John available?
No.
No. Okay, do you know where I can find?
Western food, huh? Wait, I asked my mom.
Okay.
Western food, huh?
Western food.
Nee, Roti John.
Roti John.
Yes.
Uptown.
Uptown.
Yes.
Night market.
Night market.
Night market?
Yeah.
Okay.
It starts from 8 p.m.
From 8 p.m. at night market. Okay, this way. Near the... on the big street where they're putting now the tents. They're putting some tents now outside.
Oh,
That way?
Outside.
outside.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Nice people, but no Roti John.
Like, do you trust me, Michael?
It's far away, the one you saw. You found on the map.
It's 25 minutes. Like, it's less than we've been walking
It's
so far.
2 kilometers away.
Yeah, but it's 25 minutes.
It's supposed to be around here. Wait, I'm not giving hope yet. At this point, considering how hungry I am, I sure hope the Roti John is exactly like the one in Johor, or similar to that one in Johor, because I don't feel like getting disappointed after looking so long for it. So yeah, by the way, if you know a good Roti John place, drop it in the comments so I can go and check it out, because this has the potential of becoming my favorite fast food around here. It was so good the first time in Johor Bahru that I want to try it definitely again and see if it's any good or not. I think I'm walking in circles. Let me go inside here and ask the nice guys if they know. Hello. Hello? Nobody here. There were some people though here. Not here. Oh well. Maybe my mind plays tricks on me right now because I'm so hungry. These guys at this shop, let me see. Even though they look Pakistani or Indian, let's see. Hello. Do you know where I can find Roti John?
Roti John, no.
Yes.
Roti John, no. Roti Canai.
Roti Chennai. I not the good place to ask for that. Yes. Okay. Good. At least if I want to have Roti Chennai, I can come here. I know. I want to try first Roti John and then I can try Roti Chennai, because Roti Chennai I tried before and I like it. Roti Chennai I haven't tried, so I don't know if I like it or not. Okay. Apparently not here. Okay, now we reach this place. Let me ask these guys. Hello. Do you guys make Roti John?
Yeah?
Do you guys make Roti John?
No.
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 Where can I find it?
I don't know, but we have burger only. We have burger only.
Burger?
I don't know where you want Roti John. But if you want burger,
I want Roti John.
no sir, we don't have.
Not available. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oi man. No. Can I find Roti John inside here?
Roti John, no. We don't have Roti John here.
I'm looking for 2 days for Roti John now.
Roti John, anytime we don't have it. Roti John.
Okay, and where can I find it?
You can find it on the village,
In the kampung.
the kampung side.
Now you tell me. Where were you today when I was looking for Roti John the whole day?
Whoa, this is huge.
Hello. Right. Know where I can find Roti John? Roti John? Yes. No, you don't know. Ah. Okay, thank you.
Oh my goodness, this is a huge again. Wow. Interesting, thank you. My god, did you see the size of that thing?
around here, not.
Oh, around here.
They told me here in Makan Plaza.
If you go to Hang Tuah,
Hang Tuah is far away?
at the Hang Tuah Mall.
Hang Tuah Mall.
Hang Tuah Mall.
Hey.
You must find the black one.
Oh man, this is like a lost unicorn. I cannot find it. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck. Where should we go now? Ah. So, Michael, let me go find Michael.
This one? Right?
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Yeah.
Okay, hamburger.
They don't have it. I tried.
Did you ask?
Yes, he doesn't make it.
Why?
Because he does.
Dauma.
Dauma. Thank you. Kind people.
Did you were walking in circles?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I'm asking here. If I don't find, I give up and I try again tomorrow.
Okay, while Michael is away, I asked this guy already. I asked him already.
Hello, you make roti john? No. You don't make? You know what I can find? I'm looking for 2 days now.
He doesn't realize I asked him already, and he probably thinks we're senile or something.
Oh man, this is like a unicorn. It's very hard to find. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, it is what it is. Maybe next day, next luck.
A few moments later.
New development. So from what I understood from a nice guy here, he told me that the roti john comes out only at night. So you have to look for it during the night time. Go figure, I've been doing it wrong. But yesterday it was night, so maybe yesterday it was too late. I don't know. Okay, well, let's wait till the night falls and then search again.
One eternity later.
Hello! Do you have roti john?
Yes.
Finally! I've been looking for 2 days, man, for this. Okay, I want one.
You want chicken or beef?
Beef.
Beef.
Yes, obviously. Beef is always better than chicken.
Alright.
I cannot believe.
Yay! Finally!
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm so relieved, guys.
CGG. I mean, that guy was telling the truth. Roti john is only available after dark. It comes out after dark. You have to search
I
for
cannot
it.
believe this happened actually, because I feel like in the back here supporting Michael through all of
Okay,
this heat.
I'm getting only one because we're sharing.
Yeah, no, I'm too full to eat.
You have to try it now. I'm sorry. We've been looking for 2 days for it.
I have leftovers.
It doesn't matter. We have to look. We have to try the roti john. Otherwise, the roti john will be upset on us and he will never show his face again.
Oh my.
Okay. Kita. Daging roti john. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's show the menu now.
See, it's a big piece of meat. So,
And this is the roti john. A famous roti john.
yes, and see, it's a big one.
Oh my god. Okay.
That's why I said we have to share it because I cannot eat all of it. I also ate before because I couldn't find it, so I ate something else. And you also ate something else. So now we have to eat the roti john.
Okay.
I mean, I'm so much no more. I will reserve my thoughts for the finish.
Okay. Then let's see what kind of. So what is roti john basically, Michael?
It's a piece of long bread with some kind of paste, something with some kind of mayo and some kind of cabbage and some kind of togetherness. And some kind of egg.
He nods, so that means that you're sure. You're talking.
Am I right?
Yes.
Hey! This is all from tasting it. Yes. I deduced.
You deduce.
Yes, I deduced because I can deduce from the sandwiches that I ate. By the way, sandwiches are my favorite food. So
You enjoy
obviously this has the potential of becoming one of my favorite foods.
Yes, make that simple.
Hey, that's the burger. But we don't want that. If we wanted burger, we would have gone to all the other places available.
Yes, true. There's only one place that sells roti john here in Malacca.
I mean, there are maybe more surroundings. Yes, surrounding the center.
And near this tower, guys, if you find yourself here at the weekend,
Come at night here at this place.
yeah,
Two fat burger.
yeah, really nice people. Yum. How long have you been doing this for?
Half an year.
Half a year. Okay. That's good. And this business good?
Yes, very, very good.
Ah, I like it.
People love cheese, right? In Malaysia.
Ah,
Well, if the food is good, I love to eat also.
Yeah. Woohoo. Oh, did you see that?
Yes.
How are we gonna eat this, Michael?
With your hands.
I'm excited though. Looks good. It smells nice.
ayam juga.
Yes, smells and looks in a way like the undeveloped bun kebab from Pakistan. That's why when I saw egg and paste and meat and bread, okay, I kind of like where this is going.
That's good. Oh, there's more things coming up. A lot of things. Do you have any idea why roti john is so hard to find? Why?
Basically, it's easy to find.
Uh-huh.
Actually,
I've been trying for 2 days now to find
so
it.
many people in Malaysia.
Okay.
So I think that's very hard to find lah.
When I was trying 2 days to find it, I looked around. I asked him, where is it? Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Where can I find it? I don't know. Not here.
Yeah.
You go to Kampung. You find in Kampung.
Right.
Okay, but yeah.
Yeah, so we are lucky to find you here.
Yes. Finally.
Right. Daging.
Now we got the salty sauce.
John daging.
This looks yummy.
Very.
Oh wow. Okay. I'm getting hungry just watching that. Oh my goodness. You want it wrapped?
No bag. It's okay. Or actually a bag.
Yeah.
Better a bag because we're gonna take it away.
To finish everything.
Thank you.
Look at it. Beautiful.
How much is it?
6 ringgit.
Oh, 6 ringgit.
Okay.
Oh Michael, I think we should have
I don't have change. Can give you this. So only 6 ringgit for this big of a thing. That's a bargain.
That's very good value.
We shall see. We haven't tried it yet. I tried only one time in Johor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, what's your name, brother?
Farid.
Karin.
Bye. Nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Michael.
I'm Michael.
Thank you.
I'm Gigi. Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Hope to see you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.
Okay, now shall we find a place to sit down and enjoy our roti john? Oh no! They found me! Oh no! Oh no! They found me! I should run! So many colorful rickshaws here! Holy mother of a lot of lights! Look, there's more! We have to go away, Gigi. We have to go. Come here. Too many people, too many colors. I have to run away. Finding a place to eat nice and quiet is not possible here because they found me. They found me. I cannot escape them. They found me again. I have to look for a different place. These guys are everywhere. You cannot escape them, man. You cannot escape them. Holy mother of a lot of things! Come on, so much noise! And look! Look, Gigi! We found the hive!
The hive of craze.
Yes, this is where they are breeding, this is where they make the babies, this is how they conquer the world. With their lights and with their Pikachus and Squid Games and My Little Ponies and all sorts of Spider-Man and stuff. This is like I don't know, diabetes overload.
This is the hive.
At least they're quiet now. They're not making music.
Can you imagine what it'd be like, all of them like having the music turned on?
Each one of them having the music turned on. Holy mother of a lot of rickshaws. That's too much, man. That's too much for me. Okay, finally we found the place where there's not many people.
Oh my goodness.
There's no more noise. There's no more rickshaws trying to kill us and trying to run us over with their cuteness. Death by Hello Kitty. I never thought I would say that something in my life, but it's possible here in Malacca. Death by Hello Kitty. Here at least there are only boats which are coming.
Beautiful.
But at least the boats are in the water, so well, they cannot come and hurt us.
Okay,
so,
what
time
is
to have
Michael doing?
our food. Yay! Ma baby. Okay.
Ma baby.
Which one do you want, Gigi?
Oh, just a little corner.
Okay, you take this corner.
Thank you.
And I take this middle bar.
Let's
Okay.
take a thumbnail.
And we can from the video. Hello. Cheers. Clink.
Cheers, guys. Holy schnitzels.
Very good. Man, the other one was more sauce. The one that I tried in Johor. But this one doesn't have that much sauce. And you can taste the bread, you can taste the egg, you can taste the meat that he put inside, and the sauces. So good. So good.
This is actually good, guys.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
No.
And I feel the salad. And it has inside some beef. How was beef called? Dagin.
I think. I hope. Yes. So, very good, guys.
The food is very tasty. The food is very tasty. Roti John is very tasty. I had no idea.
Was the hunt for the Roti John worth it, Gigi?
I have to agree with you, man.
I mean,
Yeah,
you never
guys,
tried
no.
it before. I tried it before. What do you think?
It's so good. I could have this daily.
The one that I tried before was with a lot of sauce, but it kind of diminished the flavor. This one is better, in my opinion. Simple is better, always, guys.
Like the
Keep
meat,
it simple.
The meat,
Less ingredients, good.
the meat pieces here, they don't have as much. They're not as spicy or like as spiced up as the other ones. You have some sauce around here. You have the salad, and it's like putting some sausages together, like pieces of sausages together, putting some omelette on top of it.
But
Put the bread inside.
the thing is now,
I don't know,
Gigi,
it's good.
this is, I think, the fast version, because the slow version should have the paste thing. This guy, he took the burger and he chopped it up and he added in the egg. Technically, there's supposed to be a paste of things, of meat. So that one with the paste apparently is better. I don't know, at least this is what Arif told me. So Arif, see, finally I got this. If you're watching, I got it, my brother. So guys, I think it's time to end the video. It's
Let's clink another.
dragging long enough. Clink again. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. It dragged long enough. I think you're already sick of my face looking for Roti John. Sick of hearing Roti John in a
But
single
we
sentence.
have it.
But we have it finally, and it's half of it left. So I'm hungry. See you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do the thing, do the thing.
Thank you, Malaysia.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.